Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of the N78 Pro Max smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here, and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here the N78 Pro Max, and we're going to do the unboxing. So as you can see, this is the box guys. So we have here the 7 in the middle, and on the lower left we have here some payment applications. We have NFC, and perhaps this is PayPal, WeChat, and this is like Alipay. And on the right we have here Wear Fit Pro, and on the sides we have nothing guys. And on top, so we have here the color of the smartwatch is black, and we have here just quick specifications at the back. So we have here the package size is 65 by 222 by 35 millimeters, and we have here the display, it's 1.92 inch, that's 385 by 385 TFT, and Bluetooth supports Android 5 and above and iOS 10 and above. Okay, so we have here the app, which is Wear Fit Pro. So guys, without further ado, let's open it. Alright, so let's open it guys. Okay, wow, this is now our N78 Pro Max. So as you can see, it has a plastic and it says there 7. So let's set this one aside, and let's see what else in the box. So we have here the wireless charging cable. Okay, so you just have to place this one like that. It's magnet actually guys, so it's nice. And we have here N78 Pro Max operating instruction, or the manual. So if you have any questions regarding the watch, just look at your manual. So guys, let's take the plastic out here. Alright, so this is now the watch itself. On the right guys, so we have here the crown. We also have here this is the menu button, and we have here on the left is the speaker grill, and at the back, so we have here the sensors. So as you can see guys, on the watch there is the bezel. Okay, let's check the bezel. And the strap guys, it's made of silicone. So let's try to turn it on. Okay, so upon turning guys, you can hear or you can feel a vibration, and there is no welcoming icon there, so it will just automatically pops up. Okay, so look at the bezel guys, it's very thin, so it's really cool. Yes, and yeah, it looks really premium you guys. So let's check guys the watch face. So let's try to long press this one here, and let's count how many watch faces it has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, wow, it has 9 watch faces. But in my case guys, I like this one here, it looks so premium. Yes. And okay, let's try to navigate the watch. So let's try to scroll down. So when you scroll down guys, so we have here different applications. So this is the do not disturb mode. We have here the lock code, screen lock. Press the button for 3 seconds. Okay, screen. Okay, this is the button here. Okay, and it is now unlocked. Okay, we have here the battery saving mode, the brightness. Okay, we have here, okay, Wear Fit Pro NFC card holder. This is nice. Okay, I've never tried the NFC. And then we have here the alarm and find the phone. Okay, there's nothing else, and let's scroll up. This is the shortcut for message, and let's scroll to the right. So we have here the shortcuts guys. So commonly used applications, and let's scroll to the left. Then we have here the shortcut widgets there. This is the video remote control, and also the place that you went and the steps. And you can also add, guys, the component. Guys, let me tell you that the bezels, it looks so thin, and I feel that there's like a curved display in the watch, so it adds like the premium feeling. And guys, the crown, it's also working, so you can control the watch face with the menu, guys. So you can use this one, zoom in, and also you can zoom out like that. All right, try to navigate the app, guys. So in here, this is the menu button, so let's long press that one, and maybe we can change. Okay, yes, and you can change to the different style. So we have here the circular style and this one. So let's try to use this one, guys, so that it's easy for us to check the applications. So we have here the heart rate, it's measuring. Guys, this is just for reference, so it has this feature, but you have to use the approved apparatus for medical purposes. So this is just for a reference. So we also have here sleep. Okay, indoor sports, so we have indoor running, indoor cycling, swimming pool, sit-ups, push-ups, free movement, outdoor sports. Okay, so you can have this one, mountaineering, and data. Okay, the steps, kcal, and we have breathe. Okay, this is like, as I mentioned in my previous videos, I like this feature, especially if you have like anxiety. Okay, we also have here blood pressure, so this is also great for reference only, use only. Okay, we have met here. Okay, and the SpO2, so your blood oxygen level. So let's try to check. Okay, so this is now our SpO2, so it's around 97 and 98. Okay, pressure, message. Okay, stopwatch, phone. You can actually connect this one with your phone, guys, and you can dial the person, and you can listen to the speaker grill, and I believe this is microphone on the right. I have alarm. Okay, weather, countdown, app store, short video remote control. So I'm curious with this. Okay, but we have to use the application for that. Meteorological, blood sugar. Wow, this is exciting. I've never used blood sugar in reading, guys, so I will try that one. And we have here camera, this is camera remote, and also music. Okay, and settings, raise to wake, bedside clock, screen off dial, bright screen duration, screen off time, change the dial, language settings, time setting is here, dimming, call settings, sound and vibration. Okay, do not disturb mode, health reminder, power saving mode, password, connect to mobile. Wow, it has lots of apps actually, guys. Calculator, so yeah, if you need an instant calculator, you can have that one. So guys, I will be connecting this one to my phone, and let's check this one here, this app store, like the blood sugar. I'm pretty much curious about this one. So guys, I will be right back. Hi guys, we are back, and I actually downloaded the application, and I have already installed the blood glucose application. So it's here in App Store. So you have here blood sugar. So as you can see guys, there is no data yet, and as what I read on the Wear Fit Pro app, it says that the blood sugar will be calculated by the algorithm of the watch. So it means guys that the data of, or the result of the blood sugar here will be reliable to the information that is gathered by the watch. So it means if you're not wearing the watch all the time, and yeah, for some reasons it might give you a very different result, or else you can also get a good result. Okay, so guys, this blood sugar monitoring for the N78 Pro Max, this is just only for reference guys, and not a basis for medical diagnosis. Okay, so you have to use the appropriate measurement apparatus for that. Okay, so and then I also discovered that there are other applications that you can download, meteorological, say here, and also short video. This short video remote control guys, this is actually for the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So when I touch this one and the Wear Fit Pro, it reminded me to download Wellfin application, and that is for the crypto. So if you are like a crypto user or a Bitcoin user, then this one is a good tool for you as well. Okay, so other than that guys, that's all for the features of this app. Okay, and so far guys, in my initial review for this, it's a pretty nice, good looking phone, and I like really the curved edges on the sides. Okay, and the bezels are so thin, so it adds the premium feeling of the watch. Okay, and then with the applications like the blood sugar, so it's promising, but as I mentioned, don't rely on the result. You have to use the appropriate tool for that. Okay, and for me guys, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice phone. It's a pretty nice smartwatch. Okay, and if you have any questions guys about this watch, and I will be also be uploading videos, tutorial videos about this watch, and I will be testing this one guys for a couple of weeks, and I will let you know my full review of this N78 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and guys, make sure to click the link on the description box for you to check out the product. Okay, once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.